눈동자 굴릴 참해 Go get it 밀어붙여 너 다음에 실패 과정에 달인이는 flawless 하고 싶은 대로 해도 패배는 없는 싸움 Let's make it fuck 오직 나 tranquilo 꽃들긴 내려가고 장길로 해야지 뭐 어째 너 best step 뒷배는 없어도 배짱으로
Baby trust our instincts feel the rhythm of our bodies moving baby right this instant oh there ain't no time for thinking leave it all behind gonna throw it.
What does this remind you? This is like bringing me back to like, I don't know if it's Justin Timberlake or Usher, kind of like a mix between, or maybe Derulo kind of actually.
Jason Derulo.
Yeah, give me a little bit of Derulo vibes coming back to like 2010, 2012 this time frame.